Hello guys, today we'll be looking at how we can scalp step index on the 1 minute time frame. Now I have step index on the screen, and the first thing to do is to try to analyze what has happened on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, we can see that price is bullish on the higher time frame, connecting all the highs and the lows. Price is bullish. As price makes a low here, we have a high, higher low, then higher high. Of course, we might see a higher low somewhere around here and possibly see another higher high, but this is the daily time frame, so price is trying to trend up on the daily time frame. Going to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? It's also trending up. This is a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, a low, higher high, higher low. Now you can see something like hammer on the 4-hour time frame forming around here. On the 1-hour time frame, what can we see? More like a flag pattern. And this is our flag. This is our flag, but it's quite tricky. Could pass for a flag pattern. It could also pass for head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. Could also pass as head and shoulder pattern. But the trend on the 1-hour time frame is also bullish. We have a low, high, higher low, higher high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we can see price dropping but forming like a support around here. Now if we see a break, of price above this trend line, then we might take it that price will continue up. We have two trend lines around here, so if we see a break above these trend lines, the first one, the second one, then we can take it that price is on its way up. Talking about a break like this, and change the color to green. Okay, if we see a break, price breaks this and also breaks this, then price will definitely continue up. But if price turns south and breaks below this line, we see a red candle, and price breaks below this line, then price gonna drop. Alright, and if it's going to drop, we have this particular trend line. You can see this trend line here. Okay, it was plotted around here. Price might find support somewhere around there if it's going to drop. But the likely direction for step index right now is bullish for now, until we see a drop or a breakout. Now on the 30 minutes time frame, it clearly shows that the sellers are coming in as price starts to trend lower. We have a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this is a lower high because this high is higher than this high, so this high is lower than this high. So price on the 30 minutes time frame showing a bearish development, so we might see price drop to find support, so either here or below here. Okay, before we now see a shoot up. But if it does not shoot up, it might form another lower high somewhere around here and possibly drop to this very support that we have around here. but that's a possibility. The overall trend on the higher time frame is bullish. Right, price continues to rise. On the 15 minutes time frame, what can we say about step index? Well, what I can see is that price is formed a downward trend on the 15 minutes time frame, but we are looking at a possibility of price forming left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is possible, right, for price to go up. But if that does not happen, then we might see price drop this way, maybe a little bit of push up, then drop to the other block around here, and a break of this particular support, price will eventually drop lower. Okay, but for now, on the 15 minutes time frame, I see price forming a support around here and then possibly going up. On the 5 minutes time frame, what do we have? Price is trending lower on the 5 minutes time frame, trending lower, but this particular push by the buyers is almost equal to the drop. Okay, so that means the buyers are stepping in, and you might want to wait for price to have a clear direction, either towards the downside, okay, and a break below here will tell you that price will continue its way downwards. But if price does not go downwards, it will definitely go up, and might possibly see something like this. But there is going to be a cluster of sellers around here, so price might drop a bit back to this top to find support and then possibly go up. So this is a possibility, price go wherever it's going to go. But let's look at how we can now trade step index on the one minute time frame. All right, as at this particular point, price, this is the 21 exponential moving average. All right, price dropped around here. So if I'm going to enter a trade, I'll be entering my trade around here. I'll be selling. I can either sell around here at the drop of this support, or I sell around here at the clear formation of 3 bearish candles. Clear formation of 3 bearish candles, 1, 2, 3, below the 21 EMA. And if I'm going to sell that, I will sell up to this point. Alright, from 8308.3 maybe to 8307.3 or 06.3, as the case may be. But price is now rotating around the 21 EMA. So if we see 3 clear bullish candles, like this is a bullish candle, if we see another bullish candle, okay, we see another one forms here, that'll be 1, 2, and another third one. See the third candle, 3. Alright, then I'll enter buy. We enter and buy somewhere here, take 10 points or 20 points or thereabout, or possibly target the high. on the 1 minute time frame. Alright, but if it drops as it is, if it drops and I see 3 clear drop, talking about a drop this time around, that should be a red candle on the 1 minute time frame. See 3 clear drop below the 21 EMA. 1, 2, and possibly if I see another third one, 3, then I'll enter my sell, and that should tally with the breakout below this low. I'll enter my sell for possibly 10 points, 20 points, 30 points, or possibly target this other block as my take profit, or target this one, this particular other block as my take profit. But for now, on the 1 minute time frame, the buyers are stepping in now. We are possibly going to see more of buying, and that indicates I might buy. So that I buy or I sell. So that's that for how to scalp step index on the 1 minute time frame. Take a look at what has happened on the higher time frame. Possibly start with the daily time frame because it's bullish. Look at what has happened on the 4-hour time frame. That's also bullish because price is even forming in line with these other blocks, finding support, and it's also finding support above the 21 EMA. On the 1 hour time frame, quite ranging because we have a mixed direction. Overall bullish, then this particular drop to pick buyers, okay, like a pullback. And 30 minutes time frame, ranging, no winner, can't say the buyers are winning or the sellers are winning, although the overall trend is bullish, but at this point seems to be a balance between the buyers and the sellers. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, ranging. On the 5 minutes time frame, ranging. But on the 1 minute time frame, in line with the 3 clear candle formation above or below the 21 EMA, it's buy. And I want to scalp buy after the formation of 3 clear green candles. Just like the way I have 3 clear red candles, 1, 2, 3. I'll sell for 10 points or 20 points. And here, if I see 3 clear, like this is the first clear green candle because this is not clear up the 21 EMA. I'm talking about the green candles. And on the 1 minute time frame, this is also not clear. It's testing or touching the 21 EMA. But this is clear, and this is another clear one, another clear candle. Now I will expect another one somewhere around here for me to enter a trade.